I said, all right, tell me, what is the worst thing that someone ever did to you or that you did to someone else? She thought for a moment and he said, when I was 3 years old, my mother would hold me down on the floor and my father would pull down my pants and beat me with a belt. So he said, yes, we did that. I had come back from the war. I was very traumatized. I didn't know how to be a father. I said, all right, you're a social worker, right? Do you know where you should have gone because of this? You should have gone to jail for child abuse. It's a crime. I said, now I want you to understand that when you abuse a child like this, you are not only hurting him physically, you're hurting him emotionally. You're betraying the trust that a little baby 3 years old has in the parents. And you're causing a spiritual pain, a pain in the soul, if you will, because that betrayal and that abuse is so deep and so profound.